Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera pro mode on the Samsung A24. First open the more modes and go for the pro mode. And right here we can find parameters at the bottom and at the top. First we can adjust ISO level. Next we've got the shutter speed. Right here we can find exposure compensation. Right here we can find focus range. We can also find the white balance. And right here at the top we can find other parameters like highlights, shadows, contrast. In this place we can switch the matrix metering and other options like camera timer, flashlight or aspect ratio. That's all for this video, hope you like it.